From peas to peas, we love them all. What if saving the planet was as small as a pea? These tiny powerhouses aren't just delicious, they're key players in sustainable living. Packed with nutrients and grown with love by eco-conscious farmers, peas teach us that small changes can make a big environmental impact. Peas are champions of sustainability. They restore soil health by fixing nitrogen, reducing the need for synthetic fertilizers. Their water usage, minimal compared to other crops, making them perfect for a thirsty planet. Every bite of a pea is a step toward a greener, healthier earth. Ever wonder how peas make it to your plate? It all starts with farmers dedicated to sustainable agriculture. Using crop rotation and organic techniques, they ensure healthy yields and reduced carbon emissions. A simple seed forms the bridge between mindful farming and mindful eating. Once harvested, peas travel efficiently. Thanks to their ability to be frozen or dried, they stay fresh without wasteful storage practices. The journey from farm to table underscores their role in a zero-waste lifestyle and reaffirms why sustainability advocates love them. Peas aren't just good for the planet, they're great for you. Rich in protein, fiber, and vitamins, they provide a plant-based alternative to high-resource foods like meat. By swapping meat for peas, you reduce your carbon footprint while nourishing your body. How's that for multitasking? They're versatile too. From hearty soups to creamy dips and plant-based burgers, peas prove that eating sustainably doesn't mean sacrificing taste. They're an affordable, widely accessible solution for everyone craving a healthier world. It's time to let peas inspire our everyday choices. Whether it's growing your own peas in a small garden, choosing plant-based meals, or supporting eco-friendly brands, these tiny legumes remind us that sustainability starts small. Even one positive habit can ripple into something remarkable. Let's celebrate the power of peas by taking action. Share this message, try a pea-based recipe, or support local farmers practicing sustainable agriculture. Together, we can create greener tables and a healthier planet. It all starts with the humble pea, proof that small is truly mighty.